Get him cleaned off. Alex down here think he's gonna catch a fish on a wacky style worm. Ain't nobody caught fish on wacky style worm since 2013. Everybody knows that. What? Damn, dude, did you see that? Shh.
Yeah, that bird just shit.
Oh, he just took a big old dump. Dude.
Not good for the program.
Major Duke. I'm hoping all this fresh water's got him up in the shallow water. Does that make any sense? Super fluke, shad. There he is, baby. Get the scale out. Huh? Are you doubled up? He's off? Pretty fish. Can you grab the scale? Huh? Get that fish. Good hook set too. I felt him on. Get him cleaned off. The Hydro X bag. Side pocket. Oh, I lost you. No. I got that on camera.
Flip. I was like, I need something to get out in the middle. Yeah,
that's the same.
5-inch Cinco. You see him? He was hooked his ass right there. He's pretty. Hey.
Got a long dirt road that goes to it?
Yeah.
Out there off of June Johnson.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I call June Johnson.
Oh, okay.
It's called like Upchurch or something like that.
It is Upchurch Lake.
Not Lake Upchurch, but Upchurch.
It is. Yep. You're right.
Yeah, I fished out there a bunch.
It's called something.
I've never caught a bass out of there though.
They told me to back.
I fished like the shit out of the back. I fished that whole pond.
No, not the back pond. The back of the Upchurch Lake.
No, I'm saying I fished that whole entire lake.
Really?
I've gotten my trolling motor all the way in the back where it's real thick, and I pulled a pike out of there, and I've had bass on the hook that got off, but I've never seen anything with bass. That motherfucker is out there.
I know, bro. Right out of the fucking casting ring.
Well, if you get over there, I guarantee you'll make it.
Where?
Right over there.
No.
To get out there?
There's no way.
Yeah.
I might just yeet it, dude. And if I backlash, I backlash. I'm gonna take the brakes on. Nah. It like gets pretty deep, bro. I can't swim, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at that. He just chased my worm all the way in. He's flipping right behind me.
Hate to be that guy. No, but.
There you go. That's exactly where he was, too. Yeah. And I was just like reeling it in. I wasn't flicking it or nothing. Yeah, he's got a lot of them.
Oh, he's big, Trey. He spit it? Nope. Oh, he's big, Trey. Oh, God. You got a scale?
Oh, my God. He's fighting like a... Dude, come on, boy. He is a runner. He is a running away. Dude, come on. Come on. Come on. Come this way, baby. Dude, keep on coming out. Come on. Come to me.
Yo, that thing's a bucket.
He might be a 4, bro. I don't know.
You need me to get him? He said,
Yes, sir.
we trying to catch him.
3.
3.5.
Yes, sir. 3.8. Good shit.
It's just got a huge mouth.
It's kind
on
of
it.
thick too.
Dude, when it came out,
Dude, when he was
Whew.
running, I really thought.
I thought that boy was a 5 when they come out of the water. Other things hit like a damn old Lessie. I don't know how they ain't blowing this thing up out here in the rain. You on? I might have to ditch this top water, man. Y'all making me look bad. What's going on? Oh, there it is, son. Yeah, big one. I don't got my scale over here, Alex. Can you get my, dude, get my other bag. Oh, yes.
That's it.
Top water, dude.
That's crazy.
Oh, he ain't a little, probably not even 2 pounds. And you're gonna weigh him. Look how pretty these fish are, man. The fish, pretty fish. And get them going. Yes, top water, dude. I love it.
I got a video from this side over here. If you remember that.
Dude, that thing was hooked up. I thought she was 3 or 4, son.